Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. So we have a sliding aluminium window, very common. We're going to be installing the WHITCO sliding aluminium vent lock. So this can be mounted two ways. It can be mounted just like that, sitting on top, and that slides backwards and forwards. On some windows it can actually be mounted sideways. So we could even mount through this flap using those two screws on the side and mount it to that flap as well. See those holes there? We could mount it that way as well. But we're going to mount it the standard mount, which is just putting it on like that. Then we're going to open the window and put an extra hole here so that when the people want air ventilation, they want to leave it locked at night, they can. So it's fairly straightforward. The instructions are included. This lock is available from our lock shop. I'll leave the link down in the description. Comes with two keys, C4 keys, but slightly shorter. They're like a 4-pin. Comes with your metal self-tapping with a Phillips head. Comes with the one-way screws. Once you've cut the threads, you can use them so the window lock can't be removed. Comes with a couple of other short stubby ones. Comes with a couple of packers as well. Comes with a couple of little grommets that you can put in the holes and things like that. Right, so let's get started. It also has a jig, which we'll show you now. So, yep, just throw it on and start installing. So at the moment he's just using the jig, and he's going to put that straight on the windowsill. So that's the plastic 4mm drill, sorry, plastic jig 4mm drill. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so we've got two screws in there now. So you're going to pop still going to use the jig. And there are those self-tapping ones. Yep. Okay, so now the jig is on the window. We need a 7mm drill bit, and we will need to make sure that this window is closed and in the rest position, which it is. Like this side. No 7mm. 6. Nope. Disappeared. Oh, here, I put that one here. Too small. Good. Yeah. Yeah, that should be right. So you leave the jig on the window to drill your bolt holes, which we're doing now. Stop there for a sec. So you've got a mark, we'll do it in a sec. And we want that 100mm, so just drill another, I'll just drill that mark there. Yeah. Okay, now we'll just lift that window so we don't score the thing. Yep, interesting. Super blunt. Yeah. Okay, so here you're going to be very careful not to slip or go through the other window. Okay, that's done. So kitchen, always more ventilation. It's probably one they'll leave open all the time, so it's worthwhile putting that second hole in. So the lock does come off these one-way screws here, but a lot of people don't put them all in. It's to stop burglars undoing the window lock on the inside. I mean, the screws are concealed, so it's really up to you if you put them on. So that plastic cover just pulls off the front. Oh, the plastic cover on the front, I'll show you here. There's fingers in there, and that's where the screw holes are. Now, a simple matter of just screwing it on. Okay, so we're just about to clean up. We're going to do the final touches, which is the black plastic cap to cover the screws, and then we're just going to do the test and clean up, and it's done. So that is the window lock now installed. There it is. Okay, lock it in position. Nice click. We also added a packer underneath it because the bolt wasn't allowing it to go all the way through. When we pushed the button, it wasn't clicking. So now we put the thinnest packer on, and now you can see when you push it in, it just pushes in. Left and right, it's locked. Put the key in, pops out, and yeah, so push the window. Because the window can go off skew if you push too much, you just push it to its rest position, push it in, it's locked, and unlock the key, and it'll pop out. Okay, now to use my new toy. Okay, and that is the WHITCO sliding window door, sliding glass door lock, or the vent lock, and we sell them on our lock shop. Thanks for watching.